This video from this video I am I have come to tell you guys that this is the last video of Jira, and I have covered almost all the major things in Jira. Like, let's do a quick recap. So in this video I covered Jira intro, then in next video I covered all the issue types, then I covered how to delete all the issue types, then all the linking of the issues in the Jira, how to start a sprint and what is sprint in Jira, all the Jira workflows, how to create a workflow, how to edit a workflow. This is the most important topic in Jira. The roles and permissions in Jira, how to add a role, how to create a role, how to delete a role, how to delete a permission, what are the story points, how to create a story points in Jira, how to change a assignee or name a new assignee in Jira, how to delete a user, how to make filters, which is also a very important topic in Jira, that we have to create almost all kind of filters and get the desired results from these filters. How to create dashboard, what are the different type of gadgets and dashboards. This is like pie chart. Then creating custom issue type with avatar is how to change the images of any kind of issue type in Jira, how to move the issues in Jira, how to use the two-dimensional filter gadget, the two-time how to use the heat map, how to use heat map in results, how to mention issues and users in Jira, how to create a dashboard based on labels, how to uh, how what is labels and how to mention the label, how to create a new labels, what is the history, understanding the history and track changes in Jira, how to perform bulk operations and bulk changes in Jira, and how to add and use activity stream gadget in Jira. So these are all the videos I have made, and you can make use of these issues and make the best use of it. And let me know in comments if you need any other kind of video on Jira, if you need any other kind of topic to be discussed in Jira, if you are facing some issue in your company or anywhere and you want to see that, okay, where exactly you want to see and how to like mainly I will like where what else you want to see, just let me know. I will create a topic and we can make it. I'll make it for you guys. So that's all guys. Let's wrap up the videos in Jira, and hope to see you. I'll come soon with a new series of videos on a new topic. Thank you guys.